Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're exploring the exciting world of adverbs at the B2 level. Adverbs are essential in English because they help us add detail to actions, adjectives, and even other adverbs, allowing us to express ourselves with more precision and clarity. If you're ready to make your language richer, let's dive in. So, what exactly is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, often telling us how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. For example, if I say, she speaks clearly, the word clearly is an adverb describing how she speaks. This little addition of an adverb can make a simple sentence much more informative. Let's take a look at a few examples. If you want to talk about how quickly someone does something, you might say, he finished the project quickly. Or, if you're describing how often you do something, you might say, I frequently visit my family. Notice how these adverbs, quickly and frequently, add extra meaning to the sentences and make them more descriptive. Adverbs are especially useful for emphasizing adjectives as well. For instance, instead of saying, the cake is good, you might say, the cake is extremely good. Or rather than she's happy, you could say, she's really happy. These adverbs help us convey intensity and make our feelings and opinions clearer. You'll also find adverbs in everyday expressions. Imagine saying, he arrived early for the meeting, or they're working hard to complete the project. In these cases, the adverbs early and hard give more context to the action, making the meaning clearer and the conversation more engaging. Adverbs often end in ly, but not all of them do. Words like well, very, and to are also adverbs, and they're just as useful for adding depth to your language. Pay attention to how adverbs appear in real-life conversations and the media you enjoy. You'll start to notice how they make descriptions and actions come alive. If you found this episode helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover our show, and we'd love to hear how these episodes are helping you on your English journey. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.